Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can restore contacts from Google account. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find Google option, and it's over here. Just tap on it and select the Google account that you want to restore your contacts from, and you can click on this button and then select the account that you want to restore your contacts from. And I'm just going to click on this account, and after that we can click on setup and restore, and it's over here. And since we want to restore contacts, we can click on restore contacts. Right, and since I haven't backed up my contact to Google account, so there's nothing to restore right here. But if you have backed up your contacts, the restore option will appear over here. Okay guys, and that's how we can restore contacts from Google account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.